Four things you have to stop. I have no knowledge of it. कुत्ते को कुत्ता बोले पापा मेरा मेरी शान है तुझ में बसी मेरी जान है पापा मेरा मेरी शान है तुझ में बसी मेरी जान है मेरा तो बस यही अरमान यो भाइको कमेन्ट हेर त सबले के बोले भाइ के बोले आयो यता सुन तिमीलाई एउटा च्यालेन्ज दिन्छु के यदि कर्णाली याकलाई के भयो किन पिटेको भुक्का खाएर त्यो ध्यान ढोका लगाएर खान सक्दैन एक गाउँभरि चाहिँ गाउँको भरि त्यसै गरी अब कहाँ बुवा हो त उसको हो नि के भयो किन पिटेको भुक्का खाएर त्यो ध्यान ढोका लगाएर खान सक्दैन एक गाउँभरि चाहिँ गाउँको भरि त्यसै गरी अब कहाँ बुवा हो त There are 7 dates. तिमीले लाइसेन्स बनायो Impossible. चुपी नोट यार अरिजीत सिंह की वॉइस निकालो चलो मैं निकालता हूँ अपनी जान यहाँ टाइपको आवाज हुन्छ नि सबैको म त बोली क्या त्यस्तो टाइपको बोल्छ हेर्नु कस्तो सिकाउँछु मेरो साथी हेर्नु कस्तो सिकाउँछु मेरो साथी मेरो नम्बर म यो सम्पूर्ण पहाडी नेपालमा विदेशीहरूले आएर काम गर्न भनेको तपाईँको स्पोर्ट मात्र होइन एउटा रिलिजन जस्तो हो होइन अनि त्यसपछि जनकपुर एज अ टिम चाहिँ ह्याप्पिनेस स्प्रिडर भएर गयो क्या इभेन्ट एनपिएलको गेम फिल्डमा गएर हेर्नै पाएको थिएन क्या आज चाहिँ जस्तो नमस्ते ढोक्या सबैजनालाई मैले पनि यसो मजाक गरिदिउँ न भनेर है तर म एकदम सिरियस टपिकमा कुरा गर्न आएको हो ओए झापाली ओ झापाली साथीहरू आज जनकपुरको ढोक दिया पाँचौं I don't care who's
Okay, let's see some programs. Yesterday we talked about some programs. Let's see some more programs using pointers and many others. Let's try to first program that is to find the greatest element in an array using pointer. In this question, so we are not asked to use a function. So with our function, we are going to do the program man. Let's give a size of array here. Define array. Suppose size is 200. Yes. Let's keep size. So int array. Here is size. Find the greatest element we are asked there. Print total. It's a variable we are going to use to enter total value in that array. Loop pointer I. Let's go for the loop. For I equals to 0, I less than equals to okay. First we have to enter the total value. Enter total minus 1 I plus plus enter do elements. So I plus 1 scanner. Here is array plus 1, sorry I data. So this was our input. Yes. Now let's go to further to find the greatest number among the total number. If we give total as 10, and we have to find the greatest number among 10. If there is 20, then we have to find 20. Okay, using pointer. Let's declare another variable here, that is max value. Okay, max value. Let's put a max value here equals to let's give array plus 0 like this. Okay, let's use same variable here for comparison. For I equals to 0, I less than equals to total minus 1, I plus plus. For again j equals to so 0 j less than equals to total minus 1 j plus plus. So if here next is array plus I, we have to dereference it, that is if it is more than I can dereference it, array plus j. I means if the first value in first location there is 12 and the second location we have to change it to j equals to 0, so we have to make it I plus 1. Yes. If the value of I, suppose first value in first location, 0 location is 12, and next value is 2. That is first location. Then the condition matches, it becomes true. What we have to do here? What we have to do here? We have to declare another that is temporary variable. 10 equals to array plus I. Now equals to j j equals to 10. That's all. And if the condition is not fulfilled, then actually there would not be swapping. For this swapping, actually condition must be fulfilled. So this is the main logic we have to apply here when we go for sorting, maybe using pointer, without pointer. After that we have to print the value. To print the value, let's repeat. So this loop structure. Printf elements in ascending order are okay. And let's remove this part, it is not needed. We have to put printf. We have to dereference it. Let's save it. Let's run. If there is any bug, we will correct that. Okay, j is declared or not? Oh, yeah. So we have not declared the j. Let's put j here. Let's run the program. Into the total elements to be used. Suppose we want to modify into first element 2 3 1 2 4. One mistake we have done here, so it did not accept the number. So whenever we use this array as a pointer, then this ampersand is not needed. Yes. Okay, and here we have also not dereferenced it. Five, one element, 4, 2 3 1 6 0. So we have got here. What is this n? From where we got n here? N order r order oh n and set this n not fine. So this is how we get the output using the pointer. So look here, we have entered 5, then 4, then 23, then 1, 6, 90. Yes or no? And in ascending order we are getting 4, sorry 1, then 4, then 6, then 23, then 90. So this is the logic program, and this is how it works. Uh, any confusion here? It's very simple. We have given the maximum size 200 and the size we want to use, and we have declared that as total. For maximum value, we have declared here variable max value, and to store the value in temporary value, we have used here temp, and here are the counter variables. So here is the input for the total number we want to use in our program. So here we are entering the input. As is, we are going to use pointer, so we have to add the location, and in this line we are storing the uh, first location value. After that, we are just comparing each element from rest of the elements, and if the condition matches, then we go for the swapping. And for that swapping, what happens? We have to use another variable, that is temporary variable 10. That's all, and we have to print it from here. In this way, we can write the programs. Now let's go for the next program. Okay, now let's go for structure program. And in this program, what we are asked is name, roll number, and marks. Write a program to input and display the details of 5 students. Okay, we'll do later on about this. Let's go for the second program. Key registers to represent a point in 2D space and write a program to calculate the distance between 2 points. Okay, let's write this program. It's very simple. Let's create a new file. Let's make a structure here. Distance. Okay. So what we are asked here, the represent point in 2D space and write a program to calculate the distance between 2 points. To find the distance between 2 points, first we have to know the x value and the y value of 2 points. Then we have to use the formula to find the distance between them. Yes, means we need the our first point. Uh, let's give that int x1, y1, int x2 y2. Yes, it's very simple. So how the program looks like, let's see here. I'm going to share. So it's a virtual. So what is the meaning of question? So let's see, let's visualize it. So how the program looks like. 2D space means, so this is the first axis and this is the second axis. Yeah, axis y axis we can say. Now question is telling us that there is a point. Insert. Let's take a point here. Dot. A small dot. Okay, let's take it. So this is our point. Yes, this is our point, and saves. No, actually we are asked here distance between 2 points. Right to program to calculate the distance between 2 points. We have to make 2 points here. Okay, let's remove this part and let's remove this part. This is the first point, and suppose this is somewhere here. And uh, next point is here. Sorry, next point is here. Yes. Now, what we need there, we need to find the distance between 2 points. This and this. Yes. And to find, obviously, actually, this point, it is some distance, like x1 or y1, we can say distance from x and the distance from y. Similarly, for this point, obviously, it should have the x distance and the y distance, and then we have to use the formula. And same concept we are going to use here. So first point x1 y1, yes, we can also write here x1 first point, y1 uh, first point, yes, first point. Similarly here second point, second point. Yes. Let's take a variable b. So this is the concept first we have to create to find the distance between 2 points. Now what we need there, we have to go for main. Let's go for main. First we have to go for the inputs of the x1 value and the y1 value of the first point. Then we have to go for the x2 value and the y2 value of the second point. Yes, let's go for that. Printer, enter uh, x1 and y1 value of first point. Scanner D. Then we have B dot. First we do x1 first point, yes. This one again B dot x1 and the y1. That's all. After that we have to go for input second point. That is, and let's copy and paste. Enter x2 and y2. Second point. Here we have to put y2. Second point. Similarly, here we have to put second point. Here we have to put x2. Fine. After that, actually, we have finished all the inputs. The x1 value, y1 value, x2 value, and y2 value. We need a formula. We know that formula. Actually, it has x1, y1, and this is suppose x2, y2. So, what is the formula for finding the distance between this and this? That is root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Remember it? Same formula we are going to use here. For distance ETS. Distance ETS equals to, we have to find the SQRT, square root of x2 minus x1. Yes, again we have to find the square of this one, means this one square plus, we have to use the power here, PW power square plus again PW power, then y2 minus y1 whole square. That's all. So it finds the distance between the points. The square root of x squared minus x squared plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let's print the value here. Print the distance between 2 points is distance underscore ETS. That's all. Let's save it. distance. Let's run the program. Okay, let's put here map.h. Oh, okay, here. So where is the error? Let's find out here. x2 undeclared. Oh, sorry. x2 we have to take the value from here. x2 point control C, x2 here, similarly x1 here, similarly y2, similarly y1, okay. I hope everything is okay. Let's run the program. Pow is not working here. Pow, this is square. Okay, should not be here. Pow square. So let's run the program. Again showing column here. Let's do one thing here. Let's break it here in different section. Yes. Okay. For term1 and term2. Okay, to be better there. So term1 equals to term1 equals to this one. Similarly, term2 okay. Now square root of term1 plus term2. Is that it? Let's save it. P-O, okay, here is power. Okay, let's keep the value of x1 and y1 for first point. Yes, suppose x1 point is 3 and y1 is 4 and x2 y2, so that is 2 and that is 6. The distance between 2 points is 2.23668, and that's all. So this is how it works, and this is how we get the output of the program. Any query, other questions, let me know. No questions, fine there. So in this way we can run the program and we can write the program. In this way we can also run the program. Now let's go with the test program. To manage a library system with instructions for books, we have printed the implement instruction for date, day, month, year. Write to probably color difference between two dates. Okay. Let's write a program first this one. Data files. To create a file, store student details. Okay. Let's write this first program. Main. Next we have to create the file. Okay. Then we need some variables, name, role, and marks. Let's take first name, then role, then marks. That's all. Nothing more we have to do there. Yes. Let's open a file. Okay, first to have open file name. Let's give data.txt. Only we are asked to store, means only storing can be done here. Yes. Let's open a file in W mode. Printf. enter role of of student, scanner, role, just to copy and paste entire part here. Enter name of student as name, then again enter marks. Marks, we have to use app printer to store the data. So first is file pointer k, let's give the name of variable, then as, then yes, let's give the name of variable, role, then name, then marks. That's all, nothing more we have to do here. Let's give a message, data is stored successfully. That's all. Let's close the file. File pointer is k. That's all. After that, return. Then let's save it. Data file. Okay, let's run the program. Enter roll of student 12, name, class, marks, 3, 4, 5. Data is stored successfully. So that's all. So very simple. This is how we can write and we can read the data. Nothing more we have to do here. Any questions? Tell me. No questions? Fine here. Okay. Thank you. This one for today. And tomorrow again we'll be discussing some more about these programs. Stay tuned. Share with your friends and join me again same time, 4 to 5. A little bit earlier, a little bit instead of later. You can join me and learn something new about the programs. Take care. Bye.